variety. Because when it comes to AI, you can be confined and in box with just one LLM provider, with just one AI model provider, with just one AI type model. AI, the beauty of AI is its variety.
So if we make a full call, we can fit more. Oh, hi, how are you?
Usually communication. There's a telephone booth Mr. Sasaki built in Tohoku area 2010.
Telcos have the free edge in their hand, but they go and invest in building edge data centers. And you have to remember, AI needs quality data. Where is quality data? Here. I am the quality data because my action is right here. So telcos need to stop looking for finding the killer app, because it historically killed their business. And I can say that because, again, we both coming from Vodafone time. And that's the key thing. It's not about let's go and build more data centers. It's about let's first utilize the compute that I have available here that changes every year automatically. I want to give room to someone else to ask a question.
Who are the players to you guys right now that are actually doing this?
And doing what Mimik is doing, I can't name one, but there are plenty of server providers, gateway providers, on-premise data center providers. That's the part that I started by saying, unfortunately, it's been used, overly used and misused. Because now the term, it used to be edge compute, now the term hybrid edge cloud vendors use, but at the end of the day, they're still talking about the static gateway. When it comes to AI, you can be confined and in box with just one LLM provider, with just one AI model provider, with just one AI type model. AI, the beauty of AI is its variety. And that's how we basically went by creating the architecture.
So in other words, an operating environment, ability to discover, ability to collaborate. And now the advantages of this beyond cloud hosting costs, latency, maximizing the usage of these devices that represent millions of times more compute power than what we have in data centers. Maximizing that usage is also about context, because context cannot be easily transferred, right? Context is here. Transferring the context is very difficult. It's like for me to be able to tell you all what I'm feeling and be able to express that very efficiently. Whereas I know what that is and I can take actions on that. Given that we have only 10 minutes time, maybe just a couple of use cases that perhaps is illustrative of the power of what we can do.
Perhaps one of the use cases that right now, maritime, right? You have vessels, you have cargo, you have ships that are practically delivering goods. We are in the oil country delivering oil. And you have workers on these ships that need to operate. And we need to ensure that the health of the ship, the health of the worker, it's monitored, the safety, the productivity. The captain knows whether the worker are in danger or not. These digital systems need to work with each other, even if I don't have connection back to the cloud. Offline first. So every system carries its own workload that they can interact with each other even without the cloud. That's one use case.
In the middle of the big building.